In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a 3-column layout in GoDaddy Website Builder. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your website dashboard. From there, go to Websites plus Marketing and select the website you want to edit. Once you are on the correct site, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy Website Builder. When the editor loads, navigate to the page where you want to place the 3-column layout. Scroll down to the exact area where you want the new section to appear. In between the existing sections, click the Add Section button. This will open the section library, where you can choose from different types of page layouts. Look through the available section categories. You can check areas like content, features, or any other category that includes multi-column designs. Your goal here is to find a layout that clearly shows 3 separate columns. Once you find one that fits your page design, click Add to insert that section onto the page. After the section appears in the editor, begin customizing each column. Click into the first column and add your text, heading, or other content. Then move to the second column and update that content as well. After that, edit the third column so all 3 areas contain the information you want visitors to see. If the layout includes images or icons, you can also update those items in each column. Select the image or icon area, then upload a new file or choose a replacement from the available options. Repeat this for each column until the section matches the style and message of your website. Once your content is in place, take a moment to review the full 3-column layout inside the editor. Make sure the spacing looks clean, the text is easy to read, and the images or icons are arranged correctly. This is a good time to make any final adjustments before publishing. Next, click Preview to see how the section will appear on your live website. Check that the layout looks the way you want on the page and that the content is displayed properly. If everything looks good, return to the editor and click Publish to make the new 3-column section live on your website. This is a simple way to organize content and present information in a clean and balanced format using GoDaddy Website Builder. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.